morning and welcome to another Cars and Coffee episode. This morning I'm at Lorbeck for a celebration of everything Porsche. The boys down here at Lorbeck are putting on coffee and a breakfast, and we are joined by the Porsche Club of Victoria. So we're going to take a look at who turns up, what cars are here, and pick some of our favourites. Something a little bit different for first thing in the morning. I think Stephen is turning up. Here he is. Oh, that's a nice number plate. Targa and a convertible rolling. It's going to be a nice warm day, and I've actually got my shorts on this morning. Looks like Lorbeck have bought out some of their cars this morning. GT3 RS GT3 and a GT3 RS MR. Only normally see that one in the showroom, so it's nice to see it out in the sun. Brilliant colour. Turbo 997 sat behind the GT3 RS MR, and then a 993 Turbo in black. Lovely colour on the coffee van this morning. It's like a Porsche mint green. Smoking a pipe coming in. You don't see that very often. .996 GT3, look at that thing. Oh, the yellow's coming in. A big old Ford truck and a GT3 RS. Keelan's coming in and the lip is low. That's a low lip. There we go, we've got some colours this morning. That's nice. Sandy. Very cool. So I'm out in the RWB again after a big drive to Canberra, sat next to a Porsche GT3. Here she is. I should do a bit of a review at some point of the moonroof. I've still got a little bit of a tint problem because this is Lexan plastic. The tint doesn't stick very well to it, but I've got some adhesive promoter coming from 3M to see if I can fix that up. It is just the corners. So I'm going to take a look around the car park this morning before we wander into the showroom, see what cars are out and about. You might have been able to see there, I've got my RM, Miami Blue RM on today because my Tag Silverstone watch is getting serviced. There are a few cars I've not seen here before, and this is probably one of them. A lovely 3.2 with a whale tail. The interior, look at the seats. Brilliant quality. I do love that interior with the outside colour as well. It's almost like, it's not a red wine, it's almost got a bit of a bronze to it. Lovely old whale tail as well. It's got a scoop on it. I don't know if that's an aftermarket one or one of the early 70s ones, late 70s, but that's a little bit different. Nice collection of decals on the window as well. The 996 GT3 with the GT3 pig number plate. That's a bit special, that is. That might be so far my pick of the day. Carrera Liquid Molly. Isaac Sport. That has got a full race interior. Racing number 13 as well. Bright orange wheels, and it is nice that it's sat in front of the GT3 RS. I think you kind of get a little bit of a look of the big tail behind it with Porsche written on it. That's kind of a cool look. Often thought about putting something under my RWB wing. I'm not too sure if that might be a little bit too much, but can you have a little bit too much on an RWB? Perhaps something underneath the wing there. Modified 993, seen this around a little bit, absolutely love the wheels. It's actually got green seat belts. On the inside there, it's got the Carrera RS in green as well. And green on the seats. That's a nice place to be. Oh, look at that as well, an RWB steering wheel with a bit of carbon fibre on it. Well, I hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe to the channel and come join the community. Lovely early silver 911. And then we've got a couple of 996s. Let's show them some love. I guess they have had a bit of love on the channel today already with the GT3. GT3 Touring in a lovely spec. Do like the silver wheels. Don't see it touring out very often. This is getting some attention. An early 60s 911, beautifully restored. I don't think we'll get to see in the engine bay, but this has had a lot of work and it's getting quite a crowd. It has got its parking lights on, so we do need to find the owner. But what a great turnout this morning. Another 996 GT3. There is a crowd over there. Might wander inside the showroom and take a look at what is in there. Actually, not been in the showroom for a very long time. They've actually got a fair few new cars in here that I don't actually remember being in here. And just that's caught my eye. A Morgan 8. For reference, that Morgan 8 is $350,000. McLaren 720S with the doors all up. Porsche 993 Cabriolet, and there's a bit of a price guide here. This is $169,000, but with all the on-road costs, it adds another $20,000 to the price. It's interesting to wander around and have a look at actually the car prices, because they do seem to be still on a downward trend. And here's a bit of an example of that. Ferrari 599, these used to be $500,000. This one is currently $317,000. That 317 is with all the on-road costs as well. Now, moving away from the Ferrari for a moment, we have got a slant nose turbo with all the modifications. I was talking about perhaps the RWB has got a lot, but this has got all of them. It's got the slant nose conversion. It looks like it's got, I would have said they were roof wheels, but I don't think they actually are. It's got the Turbo S down the side, and they are actually the original wood ones as well. And look at that on the back. Interior's all super clean. You see the latches over there to hold the roof on and hold this back on. It's actually quite a chunk, that is. Look at the size of it. It's got a GT2 wing. It's got quad exhausts. That is quite a kit, that is. Wow. That's massive. You can see there as well, the straps holding it all down. Wow, that is the first time I've seen that thing. It's enormous. What a car. It's got a sold sticker in the window, but it still hasn't got the original pricing in there, so I can't give you a bit of a breakdown of what that might have actually sold for. It's got New South Wales number plates on it. Wow. All the skirts down here. That is a beast. That GT2 wing with that kind of modified speedster hump. Wow. We should give Tissan's 911 a little bit of love because he's had his interior all done. I don't think I've shown this on the channel before. The new interior. That looks great, mate. Well done. He's done the back as well. Yeah, Well done, really like that. This is a bit special. We saw this rolling in. Might have captured just a little bit of it. The cream on it is absolutely amazing. 911 ST in what looks like it could be a British racing green. Lovely wheels on it as well. Got like a pearl on them. The 60 number down the side. Those wheels are absolutely gorgeous. That thing looks cracking sat there. You don't get the full view of it, but we might be able to get a few shots of it rolling out. 918 seats in it in a tan as well. Of course, that looks absolutely amazing with the green. Deciding where to park. I think you can park that thing anywhere you want. Picking some colours, a lovely 911E. What a beautiful colour. Beautiful and super clean black interior as well. That thing is gorgeous. But what a great lineup. I've got a bit of a speech going on over there, but I can't hear it. Here we go. Here's something a little bit different. An Escort in a very similar colour to the Coffee van. GTS, this thing is absolutely gorgeous as well. The GTS is a little bit special. I don't think it gets all the love that it deserves. Lovely sunny day to have your Targa roof off. Ah, this little blue number's nice. Look at this thing. Everybody's leaving, they're going to go off and find breakfast somewhere else. Mercedes joining the crew. They're all heading out. Ultraviolet GT3 RS. Beautiful colour. RS Spider. Oh, we might get to see the ST roll out. Beautiful colour. Well, I think we're about to head off and find a breakfast coffee spot and see what's going on. I think a lot of the crew have already left. I'm going to see what we can find for breakfast.